Hello my friends, welcome again and welcome to Sciencing Around. Today I'm taking over maths, a new topic of maths. I don't say topic, I would say a shortcut trick. Today I would tell you a shortcut trick about how to find the squares of the numbers. Yes, the squares of the numbers easily. Not so easily. A bit easily, okay, a bit easily, but some squares which are total easy. So let's get on. I hope you know the squares between 0 to 10 and 10 to 19. So I'm getting after 20. So let's get on for the first topic, that's between 20 to 30. Between 20 to 30. Let's take any number. Now I would like to explain you how to do this with the help of examples. So the first example we take, let's take number 24. Okay, our number which we want to square. Don't do this thing like 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, into 4 2s are 8. No, this is shit. This people do in 3rd grade, 3rd, 4th, 5th grade, and so don't do these things. Never to do these things. Okay, so because I got a trick for you. Okay, so now we have the number 24. First take the square of 20, take the number 400. Now guys, everything is on listening. Listen to me. Take the number 400 before you, because we are taking 24 before we are taking 20 to 30. So take the square of 20 first, 400. Then what is the number remaining? 4. Alright, multiply this number by 40. For 20 to 30, multiply this number by 40. So 40 into 4, you know what is this? It is 160. Add the number with 400. What do we get? 560. We get 560, right? So what do we get after adding 400 to 160? We get this number 560. We get this number 560. And now what is this number again? 4. So take the square of this number, 4 square. We get 16. Add this thing to every total you got. What do we get? 576. And nothing but the square of this number. Okay, you don't believe me right now, and some people even don't understand what did I say right now. So let's take another number. Let's take 27. Okay, let's take 27. So let us take the standard value 400. We have taken. Let's take the last number 7 multiplied by 40. We get what? 40 into 7, we get 280. Add these numbers, we get 680. Don't we get 680? Then square this last number again, we get 49. 49 plus 680, what is 690, 700, 710, 720, 730 equals 729. What is 729? It is 27 square. That's how we get the we get the squares between 20 to 30. Now we have completed the course for 20 to 30. Let's get on to 30 to 40. Quite interesting, or we must say very same like we heard it right here. So for your sake, let's take another thing. Let's take number 33. Okay, as in 20 we took the constant number as 40, or we took the constant number as 400. In 30 we should take the constant number as 30 square equals 900 everywhere. And every single step like we did between 20 to 30, take the last number. All we have to do is just to multiply it by 60. In the first step we multiplied it by 40. Now we are multiplying by 60. We get 180. And every single same step, that is, we have to add these things. We get 1080. We get 1080. Then again take the square. 3 square equals 9. We get 1089. What the hell is 1089? It's nothing but 33 square. You don't believe me again, do you? Okay, for your sake, let's take 38. Take the standard value 900 and take the last digit 8 multiplied by 66. 8s are 48, so 68s are 480. Add these things: 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300. We got 1380. Square this thing. 8 square equals 64. As now we get the 64 value. Add plus 64, 1444, nothing but 38 square. So guys, that was all about the 20s and 30s. Now let's get on to 40s. For 40 to 50. Again, I have to explain with the help of an example. Now let's take a number 44. Any number you can take, 44. Now for 40 to 50 and for 50 to 60, let's take the constant number as 25. I hope you can remember these small things rather than remembering the big squares. So for 40 to 50, take the constant as 25. Now and take another 50 as a standard value. As we have taken the value of 44, subtracted by 50, what do we get? We get 6. Yes, we get 6. And subtract the 6 number by 25. What do we get? We get 19. Let the 19 be first two numbers. And what would be the second two numbers? Come on, guess. The second two numbers would be none other than the square of 6. That is 1936. 6 square and 19. This is all the story about 40 to 50. Let's take another value for 40 to 50. Let's take 47. So the first step, 50 minus 47 equals 3. Then again this thing, 25 minus 3, this is the second step, equals 22. First two numbers, 22. Then third step, 3 square equals 9. So if we got one digit, then equals 09, because 229 is not possible for square root of 47. So equals 2209, the square root of 47. So 47 square equals 2209. Calculate it if you want. Now our next synapse, or we should say our next range of digits, that is for 50 to 60. Again take 25 as a standard value, and again 50 take as a relative value 50. So let's take any other value. Let's take 57, 56. Let's take 56. Then subtracted by 50. Here we subtracted that number from 50. Here we are subtracting 50 from that number. So we have the 56 minus 50 equals 6. We get the number as 6. What do we get? Then simply do whatever you want. Actually now we get 25. Then in the last time we subtracted that number from 25. In this you can add the number to 25. 25 plus 6 equals 31, which are the first two digits. And of course, what would be the second three digits? 6 square equals to 3136. Alright guys, equals 56 square. Now taking another example for your well understanding, let's take 52. So first step, subtract 50 from that number. 52, fuck you. 52 minus 50 equals 2. We get a number 2. Then what would be the second step? So added by 25. 25 plus 2 equals 27. This is here our second step is complete. What is third step? 27 is the first two digit. What is the third step? Square the number here 2 square equals 4 equals 04. And what is the fourth and last number? The fourth and very last step is equals to 2704. Combine these two numbers, which is nothing but equal to 52 square. So here about 50 to 60 I told you. Now guys, let's get on to the next topic, that is about to be honest my friends, I didn't get any trig value for 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. I absolutely didn't get any shortcut trick such that I get like standard value 25 for 40 to 60 and all the thing, but I got something for 90 to 100. So here I got 90 to 100, any square between 90 to 100. Now let us take a number, let us take 96. Then what would be our first step? Our first step would be subtract that number from 100. 100 minus 96. What do we get? We get 4. Oops. No, it's right. 100 minus 96, which gets us 4, a standard value. 100 minus 96, which gives us 4, a standard value of course. So now here all you have to do is to subtract this number by 96. 96 minus 4, which will get you 92. And these are the first two digits, and the second two digits are the square of this number itself, that is 9216. Some people would not understand, so let's take another number. Let's take 93. So the first step towards success for square equals subtract that number by 100. 100 minus 93, which gives us the number 7 right here in this example. Then what is another thing? We got the number 7. Subtract this thing by the original number you get, that is 93 minus 7 equals to 86. 86 are the first two digits, that is their second step. And what would be your third step is simply square the number you got. 7 square equals 49. And combine these two numbers, we get 8649, not 4986. okay, it's 8649. 8649 equals 93 square. And now moving on to our next topic. Now you know how to go 90 to 100, and now let's take 100 to 110, the square roots of 100 to 110, and I quote and I comment on it that it's the easiest way to find between anything I told right now till now. So for God's sake, let's start now. Let's take a number. Let's take 103. The last number 3. We have to add the last number itself to the whole number, that is 103 plus 3. 103 plus 3. We get 106, the first three numbers, and square the number, last number. 3 square equals 9 equals 09. The last two numbers, 106, 09. Some people don't understand, so let's move further by giving another number, 107. Last number 7. Add 7. 107 plus 7. We get 114. 7 square. 11449. Similarly, 108 plus 8 gives us 116. 64. Similarly, 109 plus 9 gives us 118. 81. The squares. The simplest way to find. And another small trick I got to you is actually the calculating the squares of the numbers ending in 25. If you're ready for that, let's start. I hope we can complete in this small little page. But why am I giving a fuck? Come on, I can afford a new page for you all. Just for you, my friends. It's a new page, come on. Pages are quite expensive right now, so let's take numbers ending in 25. Sorry, ending in 5. Ending in 5. So if we have got any number n5, n be any number, element of an integer n phi. It's not a n into phi, it's not n into phi, it's n phi, like 1 phi, 2 phi, 3 phi, and so on and so forth. So n phi is the number, then n phi square equals to n into n plus 1 2 phi is the formula that I made. I hope it's made by others too, but it's the formula. Like if we take the number 75, the last two digits are for sure 25. For sure last digits are 25, and the first two digits would be 7 into 7 plus 1. What the fuck? Yeah, so guys, where were we? Yeah, it's 7 into 7 plus 1, which becomes 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56, so 5 6 2 5. Sorry for the pause, but my battery was low. What should I do? So next video, let's take 85. Let's take the number 85, last number 25 for sure, because here it is 5. For 8, we can say 8 into 8 plus 1 equals to 9 8 equals 7 2. So 7 2 2 5. So like this we can calculate each and every square. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video is not so long, it would not bore you. So guys, please now don't do this fucking multiplication again and again. Use the tricks for finding the squares. If I get more tricks, then I would upload more. And thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please like the video and subscribe if you can. And please tell me in the comments how should I improve my video. Thank you guys. See you soon with my next topic. Happy sciencing and hope you learned something.